Welcome back to Coles on the Go. Today we're doing something super fun with the family. We're heading to Planet Splatter in Mississauga. We've heard so many great things about this place, so we're excited to check it out and bring you along for the ride. When arriving, you have to park in the back of the building. This is the only way into the facility. Once you get all your gear, you head to the changing area, fill your bottles with the colors you want. After that, you put on your gear, starting with your foot covers. These foot covers, which have an elastic on the top, go up to approximately your knee. Then you put on your poncho and then your face visor. You get a lock and key for a locker of your choice to put all your belongings in. Once you are ready, you head into the splatter room. We got the family package, which includes 2 canvases, paintbrushes, paint slings, paint bombs, paint blasters, 20 bottles of paint, a paint tray with real paint, eye covers, ponchos, and shoe covers. Once you're in the room, the staff sets you up at a station. Because we had 2 canvases, we got 2 stations. Me and the kids started with filling the water guns with the paint and attacking each other, while Mel was painting the canvases. As you can see, there is paint everywhere, on the walls, floors, and even the ceiling. After a while, the kids got impatient filling the water guns, so they started squirting the bottles without the water guns. Then they decided they wanted to use the slap splash, which is the bucket that drops paint on your head. Of course, I was selected as the victim, but I wasn't the only victim. Then we tried the splatter wall. You push a button, then after 10 seconds, paint sprays. Unfortunately, we either counted fast or there was a delay, because when we counted to 10, nothing happened. So we started to walk away, and as we started to move, that is when it splattered. We got to spray paint, throw paint, and even have paint poured onto us. The kids absolutely loved it, and honestly, so did we. It's such a cool way to be creative as a family, and the staff here were super friendly and helpful. When you are done, you go to the cleanup room, where they have 6 sinks, soap, towels, and paper towels to clean up. Once cleaning up, we noticed that the shoe protectors didn't keep the paint out. All 4 of us had paint on our shoes, but the paint cleaned off pretty easily, even off Mel's white shoes. The staff then packs your painting in a cardboard case so it doesn't smudge and offer you seat covers for your car. If you brought a change of clothes, don't worry, they do have individual change rooms for you to change in. If you're looking for a fun family activity in Mississauga, definitely check out Planet Splatter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more family adventures. See you in the next one.